The motivation behind the leather show is really to create an experience where people can come together and they can feel like they belong to this really incredible community. We want to connect you to one another. We want to connect you to the top suppliers in the industry. We want to connect you to the master artisans that are willing and happy and eager to share what they've learned and what they know by doing this traditional art for years and years and years through classes and instruction. And so it's kind of the culmination to bring all of that together. And we always infuse a little bit of fun into our live events as well, because one of our core values over here is we work hard and have fun. And we take that very, very seriously. And I think because we all love what we do, we're able to have a blast doing it.
Yes. So in the contest, we're going to see the tree that you whooped that man for.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
That's how I want to see it.
He was a veterinarian. You are the winner. And we're constantly, never ending, just trying to make this, what we do, more valuable to you. But now, we're going to get back to the show.
He does know all the people. Yeah, oh, see, he's so sweet. That's why we love him. That's why we love him. Are you having fun, Dan?
Having a blast, yeah.
He's like an eagle. Look at him. It's live.